Skiing for the first time is an unforgettable experience, but it's even better when you have the right gear. Imagine you're gliding down the mountain, feeling the rush of cold air, and everything feels right until your goggles fog up, or worse, they slip. Not ideal, right? But what if I told you there's a pair of goggles designed to handle whatever the mountain throws your way? No fog, no slipping, and with the kind of visibility that makes you feel like you're seeing the mountain in HD? We're going to get to that in just a second. But beyond the goggles, there are 9 more essential items that will not only make your day on the slopes easier, but elevate the whole experience. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. You're tearing down the mountain, wind in your face, and the last thing you want is your goggles fogging up or slipping off. That's where the InnerKing Ski Goggles come in. Let's take a look at the goggles right out of the box. Inside, you'll find some simple instructions and wow, a nice velvet bag. It's sleek and practical, perfect for wiping the goggles clean, and great for tossing in your backpack to protect them from scratches when stored. Definitely a thoughtful touch. The goggles are built to handle whatever the mountain throws at you. Weather change mid-run? No problem. Just pop off the lens and snap on a new one, thanks to the magnetic system. No tools, no hassle. These goggles have double-layer anti-fog tech that actually works, so no fogged-up views. Plus, with Italian-imported lenses, you'll get twice the clarity of standard goggles, letting you see every detail as you carve down the slopes. If you wear glasses, don't worry, these goggles are OTG, so you can comfortably slide them on over your specs. The foam fits any face shape, offering all-day comfort. And they won't slip. The long adjustable strap with silicone strips keeps them secure, no matter your helmet. And if you like options, they offer the standard model, the magnetic model for those quick lens changes, and the cylindrical model with overglasses design for extra comfort. Let's have a look at them. These goggles also come in a velvet anti-scratch bag, along with a manual to guide you through everything. Also, check out the InnerKing Ski Helmet. The helmet also comes in a box, and here's a handy anti-scratch carrying bag to keep it protected. Plus, there's an ear mask included to keep you warm and comfortable on the slopes. It's light, safe, and built for comfort, with one-hand operation and perfect helmet compatibility. One thing to keep in mind, extra lenses are sold separately. But honestly, for the price and the performance, these goggles are a good choice for any skier. Sweet Protection Switcher MIPS. A good helmet doesn't just protect your head, it keeps you comfortable and makes your day on the slopes way more enjoyable. That's where the Sweet Protection Switcher MIPS helmet. It's got this unique hybrid construction, combining a lightweight in-mold design with extra protection in key areas, so you're getting the best of both worlds. One of the best features? It has 22 adjustable vents, so whether it's freezing or you're working up a sweat, you can easily control airflow to stay comfortable. And if you're the kind of person who likes to keep things simple, the magnetic chin buckle makes fastening it up a breeze, even with gloves on. The fit is super easy to adjust thanks to the turn dial, and it's equipped with MIPS technology, which helps protect your brain from rotational forces during impacts. Finding the right ski boots can make a world of difference when you're just starting out. The Nordica Sport Machine 380 boots are perfect for beginner and intermediate skiers, especially if you've got wider feet. These boots have a 102 mm fit, which means they'll feel comfortable without squeezing your feet too tightly, and they've got a softer flex, so they're more forgiving when you're still figuring out your technique. One of the coolest features is the 3D custom cork liner. Not only does it give you better control by supporting your heel, but it also helps keep your feet warm and dry, which is a huge plus when you're out in the cold for hours. The 3-force technology helps transfer your energy from the boot to your skis, giving you more control and power as you improve. If you're looking for ski poles that can handle anything the mountain throws at you, the Leki Detect S might be the perfect fit. These poles are built tough, with durable aluminum tubing that can take a beating on all kinds of terrain, from soft powder to hard-packed snow. At 16 mm in diameter, they're stiff enough to give you solid support, no matter the conditions. One standout feature is the Trigger S Pro G grip. It's designed to feel comfortable in your hand, with a slim, soft grip that doesn't feel bulky. Plus, the strap is detachable, making it easier to get on and off the chairlift without the hassle. Another great touch? It comes with both powder and alpine baskets, so you can swap them out depending on the snow conditions. If you've ever found yourself awkwardly juggling skis and poles at the end of a long day on the mountain, the Sklan ski strap and pole carrier is going to feel like a lifesaver. This simple but genius accessory makes it way easier to carry your gear, taking the strain off your hands and arms. Instead of struggling with your skis after an exhausting day, you can just sling them over your shoulder and go. It's especially helpful if you're skiing with kids, who can have a tough time managing their gear on their own. What makes it stand out is the cushioned shoulder pad, which makes the whole experience more comfortable. No more digging straps or awkward balancing acts. The hands-free design means you're free to carry other things, or help out your little ones without the usual hassle. It's one of those things you didn't know you needed until you try it, and then you'll wonder how you ever skied without it. Arcteryx Saber AR Pant. The Arcteryx Saber AR Pant is designed for anyone who wants to explore the mountain with freedom and comfort. Whether you're tackling the backcountry or cruising resort runs, these pants are made from durable Gore-Tex fabric, which means you'll stay completely dry and protected from the wind, no matter what the weather throws at you. Plus, the material is breathable, so you won't feel overheated when you're working hard. The lightweight fabric also has a reduced environmental footprint, which is a nice bonus. One of the great features is the thigh vents, which allow you to quickly dump heat when you're hiking uphill or working up a sweat. These pants also have a bit of light insulation, so you won't freeze in colder temps. And with their articulated design, you've got the flexibility you need to move freely on technical descents. Cold, wet hands can ruin a great day on the mountain, but the Black Diamond Mercury mitts are built to prevent that. These mitts combine a waterproof shell with a removable insulated liner, so your hands stay warm and dry, even in wet snow. What's great about these is that the liner dries quickly, so if they do get wet, you can be back out on the slopes in no time. The goat leather palm adds durability, making these mitts perfect for handling skis, ropes, or any rough terrain you might encounter. With their long cuff, you don't have to worry about snow sneaking in either. They're perfect for skiers who want warmth and convenience in one solid package. When it comes to staying warm and dry on the slopes, the Heli Hanson ski jacket really nails it. It's got a sleek design that moves with you, so you won't feel restricted while skiing, whether you're carving down a groomed run or exploring off-piste. The jacket's Heli-Tech professional fabric is completely waterproof and windproof, which keeps you shielded from harsh weather. Plus, it's breathable, so even when you're working up a sweat, you won't feel stuffy. One of the standout features is the Leaf-Aloft insulation. It's lightweight, but still super warm, so you get all the heat without the bulk. Another cool touch is the Life Pocket. It's designed to keep your phone battery lasting longer in cold temperatures, so you won't have to worry about your phone dying when you need it most. Its built-in features like the detachable helmet-compatible hood, powder skirt, and Reco reflector add convenience and safety, making it a reliable choice for both casual resort skiing and more serious backcountry adventures. When you're out on the slopes, staying warm and comfortable can make all the difference, and the Balaclava ski mask has you covered. Made with a super soft fleece lining and 4-way stretch material, it fits snugly, keeping your face, neck, and head warm even in freezing conditions. Plus, the breathable mesh paneling helps airflow naturally, so you won't feel suffocated during intense skiing runs or hikes. This mask isn't just about warmth, it's about all-weather protection too. The waterproof shell and extended neck coverage block wind, rain, and snow, making it ideal for any winter adventure. Whether you're hitting the slopes or just commuting in tough weather, it's built to handle the elements. Good ski socks can make or break your day, and the SmartWool ski socks are designed to keep you comfortable on the slopes for longer. With targeted cushioning in key areas like the toe and heel, these socks help reduce the chance of blisters and absorb impact, so your feet feel great even after a full day of skiing. Made from merino wool, these socks aren't your average wool. Merino is thinner, softer, and naturally moisture-wicking, meaning it pulls sweat away from your skin, keeping your feet dry and comfortable, no matter how intense your skiing session gets. Plus, merino regulates body temperature, so your feet stay warm in winter without overheating. The over-the-calf fit prevents any uncomfortable rubbing from your boots, while the 4-degree Elite Fit system ensures the socks stay in place, no bunching or slipping. And that's a wrap! We hope these essentials will boost your confidence and comfort. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates.